Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change a name on Facebook. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to open your Facebook app and then you just need to select on the top right corner three-line menu bar icon and then scroll down and select settings and privacy. So after that again select settings and right now you just need to select see more in account center. After that select profiles and then select your Facebook name and select name. Right now you can see there have two options, first name and surname. So if you just want, you just need to change it. So just change your first name, and here you can see I just changed the first name and I just changed the last name. So after change and then select review change. So after that here you can see it's going for review. If you just want to change, you can change this on, otherwise you can select this on, and right now select save change. So after that you just need to wait, and here you can see my name already changed from my Facebook. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.